Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add products to different pages in Shopify. So adding a product to different pages in Shopify is a great way to organize your store and improve the shopping experience for your customers. And in this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to get started. So let's start it. So the first thing you have to do is to create a collection. So first, create a collection for different categories of products. So go to the product section in your Shopify admin, then click on the collection. Then after that, create a collection. Then add product to each collection based on their categories. Then once that is done, you also have to create a page for each collection. So next, create a page for each collection. Then go to the online store section. Then click on the page and then add page, then customize the template if needed. And after that, to display the collection on different page, use the Shopify editors. Go to the page you created, then click on the add section and select connection list. So once that is done, then choose the collection you want to display on that page. Then after that, you can now add a page to navigation. So finally, add the page to your store navigation menu. Go to the menu or online store section, then click on navigation, then the main menu, and add the page as sub items under the shop, then under the shop section or any other relevant section. And that's a simple way to add products to different page in Shopify. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.